Hello, everyone. This is part 2 of the #1 network marketing MLM script in the world, CGM script from MHD Scripts. And you can see in part 1, when we talked about the admin panel itself and the configuration to control the whole website, to control the whole dashboard, to control the eShop, to control the deposits, withdrawals, top recruiters, top earners from the members and everything. And if you did not see the part 1, this is the admin panel homepage where you can see what to do, member balances, withdrawals, payments, product shops, vouchers, tokens, token withdrawal, token staking, and the statistics happening in the financial, in the member registering and payment in the last 7 days, and so on. And you can see part 1 at any time in order to understand this part 2 in the admin panel and in the controls for if you would like to create your own MLM programming, MLM website, or tokens, staking, eShop, traffic ads, advertising, e-vouchers, everything is available. Even the pools and ranks, we show it in part 1. This is part 2, and now we are at the tokens. Once you go to the tokens here in the admin panel, you can see the member and token balances available. And you can go to the buy history, who purchased tokens from your website, and sell history, who sold tokens inside your website. That transfers history if you allow people to transfer their token inside your website, inside your platform, so you can see the transfer history. People who requested withdrawal of their token to get it like on my Ether wallet or Metamask and so on, you can see the withdrawal request here, and you can process them from there if you can see one here. Token earnings, who earned in tokens in the system, and you can see all of them. Why did this person earn the tokens, like sponsor bonus, generation commission, like upgrading, like first time login airdrop token. You can give them airdrop, even free tokens when they register, no problem, available in the system. Now you can see the staking, which is running on your website, like people who are staking now, staking on hold, like you need to accept it if you allow this option or automatically to be running. Staking that is completed and people got their annual profit already. Staking that people request to unstake it and they got their tokens back with the fees or without fees. And now we can go to the staking configuration and token configuration. Let's go to the token configuration first. Here you can put the name of my token, like the name will be like CGM script, for example, token symbol like a CGM script, and here the token symbol is CGM. And you can see a number of decimal to be 2, to be 8 like Bitcoin, but 2 is enough. And I can click save. Token transfer, can you allow people to transfer their tokens inside your platform? Yes or no? All members or only paid members to have this option, anything you want. And you can put the minimum. I would like the minimum to be like 1,000 tokens and maximum to be 10,000 tokens at each time that they can transfer to each other. Do you want to get a percentage like fees? Because when they send their tokens in reality on the blockchain, there are fees for the blockchain, you know? So you can request those fees as a transfer fee or burning fee, whatever you would like to name it with them. You can get like 1, 2% or 5%, or even you can get it in tokens itself, like 5 tokens with transfer fee inside your system. So in this way, you can burn more tokens easily without losing any blockchain fees, because it's actually inside your platform here. Token withdrawal, people can request withdrawal, yes or no. And when they withdraw, the minimum withdrawal to be how much, like minimum withdrawal is like 10,000 tokens to withdraw. Daily limit to withdraw is like, let's say 5 million tokens. And the withdrawal fee fixed or a percentage, let's say 5% withdrawal fee. And allow withdrawal time, anytime, or a specific day or a specific date. Allow multiple requests or only one request per day. Allow 2-factor authentication, that they have to verify their email, put the code before they can request the withdrawal, or just they can request without any verification or authentication. Token buy, now you can put here the minimum tokens they can buy, like they can buy minimum 1,000 tokens, they can buy maximum each time like 100,000 tokens. And let's say the token price is like 1 cent, or let's say 5 cents, or let's say 0.1 and so on. But you know, this way you have to make the decimals. If you make it like that, try to make decimals in dollar in token, so it's not an issue. Not an issue. So you can make the price like that. And the buy fees, would you like them to pay fees to buy, like they are buying on PancakeSwap or Uniswap? There are fees always. Yes, we can put like 1% or 1 token fees, no problem. and we can make it 0 to like enhance them to buy, and I will click save. Then when they would like to sell the token inside your platform, we can say the minimum is 1,000, maximum 100,000. Now we put the price here 0.001. We can put the same price here in the token rate also. When they sell, we can put a sell fee on them because they are selling a new platform to get dollars instead of their tokens. So you can put like fees 2% or like 10 tokens, fixed amount, whatever you would like to do, no problem, available in the system, and just click on save. Now let's go to the staking. If you are going to allow staking for your people inside your platform, so you can add any plan of your choice, like plan. If they put minimum amount of 10 tokens up to 100 tokens, you can give them 10% annual profit. And let's say another plan, if they put like minimum 101 tokens or 100 tokens, maximum 1,000, we can give them like 12%. Another plan, if they can put like, let's say 1,000 to 100,000, we can give them 15% annual profit. So you can always enhance their abilities in order to purchase more tokens and stake more tokens through your company. So here I can add a plan. Who can purchase this plan or can stake in this plan? Paid member, free member, or all members can stake inside it. Which membership packages? If you have like bronze package, gold package, platinum package, or you have even courses package, course 1, course 2, which courses they achieve. So I can make a specific plan for achievers, people who are in membership package platinum, the highest one I have, and they achieved like course 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. So this is like the VIP plan for the VIP members we have in order to get big annual profit here. You know, like I can name it like 20% annual profit or achievers plan. Well, achieving stakers, no problem. Enable, yes. Accept order, yes. Set order to be like number 5 in the arrangement on the website. The staking itself, minimum amount to be like 100K tokens, 1 million tokens maximum amount, no problem. And then we can put the interest rate here, daily interest rate, what they are going to get. So let's say daily interest rate like 1%. For example, I will tell you how to play it, and pay interval like, let's say, here, like if you choose one for 1 day, so profit will be paid each day, you know. If you put 7 for 7 days, so profit will be paid each 7 days. So if I would like to give them like 1% per month, like 12% per year, so I can put here like 30 days, so they will earn 1% every 30 days, which means 12% per year. Mature base is like payment base, it's fine like that. Return the principal, leave it no, but they will get it, don't worry, leave it just like that. Working days, just count all the days for me, no problem. And once they stake here, to be on hold, and you accept it from here as an admin, or automatically make it running, so it will show in the staking running here. Okay, got the idea? Now the unstaking, we can click yes for unstaking, and you can here add fees if they unstake period. Like let's say I will allow them to unstake from day 1 up to day 100, for example. And I can add fees from here. I can because this function will not work in the demo. So let me get the ready plan, edit any one of those. Okay. And here we can go to the staking, and you can see here the unstake approval. You can make the unstake approval become manually or automatically, whatever you want, you know. I think automatically is better. And accept duration, let's say from day 0 to or day 1, no problem, to day 100. Okay, so I can put, if you are going to unstake your tokens, stop staking and get your tokens back from day 1 to day 14, I'm going to charge you like, let's say 2%. But from day 15 to day 30, I'm going to charge you like 4%. But from day 31 to day like 55, I'm going to charge you like 6%, and so on until day 100 that you're allowing them to unstake. So if he has like 1,000 tokens in your staking and he requests to unstake, he will get 1,000 tokens back minus 2% out of the 1,000 minus 20 tokens. So we'll get 980 tokens back. Got the idea? And here you can put the description in English because it's multi-language, and you can put also in Arabic and French, Italian, according to the language you are enabling inside your website. So this is full idea of the tokens. A stockist is like for people who are focusing in the eShop itself. You can add some people to become a stockist, and they can get like a discount of your products, and you can show their location to people in the eShop, so they can go there, get your product from that stock or that franchisee available in your in each country or locations you are placing them. It's a good idea for people who are having eShops and those stockists that you can add them manually to become a stockist, like franchisee. They can get discount from the product shop when they purchase like 5% discount. If they are going to buy vouchers and going to sell this voucher through their office, give them like 2%, 5%, 10% according to the prices. E-coupon shop, it's also for the e-shop, but we don't have time to explain it now. At credit shop, they can advertise with cheaper prices, like with 10%. So you can motivate more people to become a stockist or franchisee to you. And you can add the categories inside with the location. Location 1 I have in Philippines, I have in UK, I have in Australia. Whatever location you need, just put them here and insert the stockist to that location that you added in the configuration. The contact, as you can see, you can send email to anyone in any language you choose. People who have English language in your website, so you can send to those only. Send to all members or paid members or only free members or the expired members if you have subscription, or a specific member with his username or a specific email address, and you put the email priority like standard, no problem. And you can write here anything and write there anything. Even you can like say hello member name. I will show you the idea. Hello, and I will put member name here. So if your name is like, let's say Chris, it will show hello Chris in the email when I send it to you. Let me say that your username in our system, for example, your username is, and I will put member username. So I can speak with him and I will tell him your balance is whatever, your balance is, and I'll put member balance from here. Feel free to request withdrawal and so on, So you can send an email to any person asking him to anything. There are auto emails in the system, which means autoresponder. Autoresponder. What does it mean? But before I go to the autoresponder, because it will drive you crazy now, if we choose here all members, please understand something. If you are using a hosting for you, like shared hosting on GoDaddy, on whatever, so this shared hosting, when you send, if you have big number of members, like more than 1,000, more than 10,000 and so on, you cannot use it like that because your hosting will not allow you. They will send to the first 50 or 100 or 200 members, and then your email might be blocked, So it's not a good idea if you have big number of members. If you have a big number of members, we can insert like SMTP from MailChimp, GetResponse, Uber, anything, and you can send using this SMTP. Okay, but if the number of people are small, like free members are small, paid members are small, no problem, use it. The hosting will not make any issue. If you are using a VPS server, it will not be an issue for sure to send multi-emails like that. So now we have the autoresponder, and now you will save a lot of money. You will not need to pay Uber, GetResponse, and so on for big money monthly for your members, because you have the autoresponder available in the system, like new message from here. And I will say this date posted, which means after a member join with, let's say, 24 hours, what will happen? Language is English. If his language is English, I'm going to send him membership limitation, that free member in 24 hours. Okay, so he registered, he did not pay yet. Let's say he verified his email, or it was just a registration without verifying his email, so it might be a fault registration. So I will say verified email only. Email type, let's say HTML, so we can have more characteristics here. Subject, how to pay or upgrade now. Get the opportunity, take the advantage with us. You can write anything like powerful so they can see it. And here you can say hello, and you can put his name, member name for sure, member username, whatever. And we are so delighted to have you in our system, blah, blah, blah. Feel free to log in your account, go to wallet upgrade now, and that's it. So any member that have 24 hours and he did not pay yet because he's still a free member, he will get this email in the autoresponder automatically. You know, what if he become a paid member? I can write a different email in the autoresponder for paid members because they paid in less than 24 hours to congratulate them, tell them about the pools, ranks, our system, and everything. Then I can add another one, like let's say after 2 days of their registration, we have big offer, we have big community, special gift for you, and so on in months, weeks, whatever you want. So this can be automated in the system, and you can make one in English, one in Italiano, one in French, one in Spanish, and so on. That's how it works with the autoresponder internal inside the system. But as I told you, if you have big number of members coming every single day, it's better to use SMTP so your email does not get blocked from your hosting, okay, not from our system. Here you can see the history of what's happening in your system, like history of earning, latest earning in your system. History of trial earning, we have a function called trial member, but it was for a specific customer, so it will not work in your system. You will not find it. History transfers, latest transfer in the system. A member sent money to another member, so you can see that here. Point exchange, you can allow points with exchange points in the system, like a special gift. History of access in your system. People are doing what in your system exactly? This member logged in the member PHP, he went to this page, he went to this page, he went to blah, blah, blah. So you can revise what he is doing if there is something wrong in his account with the IP address. Like he will tell you, I think my brother knows my password. He went inside from his mobile phone. He withdrew money. It was not me. What can I do? You will tell him, no, my friend, it was you. We can see your IP address. Come inside this date. You went to the withdrawal page at this time. So from there, you can speak with the system. Stats means visitors to the website coming. Here is if there is any error in the system. And here are some cron tasks, like something to run automatically in the system. As you can see, the staking cron is coming, working fine. Cron for members pool ranks, working fine. Everything is fine. Now, the most important part, management and configuration. When you go to management, you control the news. You can control the content of the website, like the front page menus. You can see here, this is a front page, yeah? Front page means the main website. So here is called the home. I don't want to call it home. I want to call it like empire. The empire, you know? Empire, not home. I love to put things in this way. So no problem. You put empire. Now, instead of home here, if we refresh, it will show empire, you know, and it's connected to the home page. So I will make it back to home again. So here you can control which page to show in menu, yes or no, enable yes or no. So you can remove it from the menu or leave it in the menu, okay? So you can just click save again to make it home again. Now, if you go to the member menu, you can see here all the member menu you are having that you can enable, disable each menu, sub-menu, each page for the members from here, you know. And as you can see, we have tons of modules available with enable, disable, so don't worry, everything is under your control. And I can go to start here, for example, this page. I would like to make it for all members. No, I would like to make it for the free members only, or for the paid members in my system. Which paid members? All of them, or just the bronze members that achieved any course, for example, you know? So only if you are a paid member bronze package, you will see in each course, you will see that page. Or I want all paid members to see it, and click save. Or I don't want to show it at all. No, don't show it to anybody, you know, don't enable it. So, okay, it will not show to anyone. So you have full control of everything in your system. Testimonials, people can leave their testimonial inside your website and you can accept it, don't accept it, anything you want. FAQ, you can add FAQ inside the system. And downloads, you can add more downloads to your people, like a presentation, training, promotional banners. You can write articles and people can see these articles with categories. You can add landing pages, and this is easy to be done. So people can use the referral link, or they can use the landing page without any issue. You can add the promotional banners inside the system that people can get HTML code with their banners. You can get the full report about what's happening in the system. You can generate a report like from any year, from any time, membership payment, or add money inside the website, or the vouchers, eShop, or the withdrawals, and so on. You can back up your database from here with a click of a button. You can go to the configuration now, and now this is the most important part because this is a configuration. I'm sorry, I believe this must be a different part because this is the whole scenario for the network marketing plans, enrollment package or memberships, and the mailing system, SMS notification, the payment methods, withdrawal methods, automation. So be sure to check the next part to see the crazy thing about this configuration for your #1 network marketing script in the wallet. Get ready for the next part. It's down there.